Alice from Tycorun Energy China. Right now, I'm in our factory. Inverter communicate with battery testing room. So you know how many pieces inverter, how many brains, what our battery pack support to match. So follow my camera to see that. And for this one is for our Jingshi model. And this one is for our Texas. And this one is for our voltronic, Growatt, and Chinese brand is for Sermatec. And this one is Growatt also, in for maxx and SAJ and Megareva. And this one is for Chinese model for and SMA and Goodwe and more for SMA also, and Conext and more for Phocos, and more is for voltronic also, Goodwe, Growatt, Deye, voltronic, and more for Solis, and Goodwe also, and for voltronic, and more. This one is for less power. What I show you brands of inverter, just a part of what we can match. So we will share a list which brand we can to match. If you have any new brand or you have others brand on hand, feel free let me know and share the pictures and model to us. So I will ask our engineer to support you. If you have any idea and if you have any interesting for us, feel free to contact with us. Thank you. Bye bye.